It's official. Samsung has revealed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event is set for January 22nd in San Jose, California. If you're a fan of Samsung, make sure to save the date, as this is an event worth attending. In a recently released teaser video, Samsung highlighted 4 devices lined up together. We expect to see the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and an exciting new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim. Let's delve deeper. The Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are nearly identical, with one key difference. The Plus version has a larger screen and battery, catering to those who seek more from their device. On the other hand, the S25 Ultra will feature a revamped design with smoother edges, goodbye to sharp corners, while still offering the cherished S Pen and premium specs we've come to expect. Yet the real intrigue might come from the S25 Slim. This model promises to be quite different. Rumors indicate it will boast a 6.66-inch display and an impressive camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and another 50-megapixel for telephoto shots. Additionally, it is expected to include the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a sturdy 5,000 mAh battery. It certainly sounds like a flagship device, doesn't it? The unique aspect is that it aims to be lighter and thinner than its siblings. However, what might you have to give up? It may not feature certain high-end options like wireless charging and a periscope lens for enhanced zoom capabilities. Nevertheless, if a sleek and powerful device is what you're looking for, the Slim could fit the bill. Samsung has also teased a new generation of Galaxy AI, which is set to impress. They're aiming to transform how we interact with our devices in our daily lives. Clearly, Samsung's AI technology has made significant advancements, and this could be substantial. Samsung is offering appealing pre-reservation benefits. By reserving your Galaxy S25 in advance, you'll earn a $50 credit toward your purchase. Plus, you'll have a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card. If you trade in a qualifying device, you could get up to $900 in credit. This means you might save as much as $1,250 by taking advantage of the pre-order deals. It seems this Unpacked event is shaping up to be quite remarkable. What do you think? Which Galaxy S25 model are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and remember to subscribe for all the latest news and updates as they come.